What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Digo coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the most expensive Nike pants I've ever purchased. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. I actually did a collection video on the Nike Every Stitch Considered. I didn't have these at that point, but that is what these are from. And these retailed at $500, which is pretty ridiculous, not gonna lie to you. I was fortunate enough to not have to pay that, but that's a crazy high retail. And I really bought them because they match, well, I thought they matched the jacket that I got. And the jacket is already $700, so it's like crazy to think Nike was dropping a $1,200 pretty much tracksuit, or I guess a sweatsuit. So when I tried to compare this to the jacket and like look at the colors and they were different, that kind of sucked. You know, I was hoping that I could wear them in a kind of a tracksuit together. They are both very high quality, and I will go over details, of course, of the sweatpants and show you guys. Let me know what you guys think. At $500, is this even realistic for Nike to put out a product like that? And if you guys don't know what Every Stitch Considered is, or aka ESC, check out my other video. I have a whole collection video on a ton of different pieces from there. To pretty much sum it up, it's a high quality line under the NikeLab kind of brand, so it's Every Stitch Considered. So it's just supposed to be something that's higher quality and super simple. All right, so let's get into the pants. Now I got this piece in an XL. I would definitely say stick true to size. It does have an adjustable waist, which is nice. And it has pretty good laces with metal tips at the end. These sweatpants also contain 4 pockets, 2 zipped on the back and then 2 button up on the front. I think I would have rather just had them all zipped. The zippers are pretty nice quality as well. They're Riri zippers, and then they have like a cloth material for the pull tab. One thing I really like about the back pockets is the angle that they're slanted at. I think that was a really nice touch. And then also as we move back onto the front, you're gonna see that you have a button up for your crotch area. So I guess if you don't want to pull your pants down, you can just... Moving further down in the pants, you're going to see that it is kind of tapered. It's not as fat as like old sweatpants, but it's really not as thin as something like a Nike Tech Fleece. So it's a little wide, but I still think it looks really good. And you're also going to have like a zipper. So if you want to unzip it and show off your shoes a little more, whatever the reason you want to, they have that. And then there's also just like one tiny little hole that has like silver metal around it. So I'm guessing just for like some breathability. Now as you move on to the inside, it's going to show that it has the Nike Every Stitch Considered size tag, which is different than a normal Nike tag. It's a little bit longer, and then it has ESC on there, Every Stitch Considered. And then it shows that it's made in Italy, and then below it's going to have like your size. And for example, mine is an XL. I will get you guys a try on at the end of the video. All the details on this pair of joggers. Let me know what you guys think. This is the most expensive pair of joggers I think that I own, and this is retail. There's definitely more expensive Nike joggers for resale, like, you know, you have Travis Scott, or even you have the Off-Whites. Those are kind of going around there. But this is just based off of NikeLab quality that they based this at $500, which I think is really ridiculous and just crazy. But like I said, I didn't have to pay that, so I am thankful. I'm definitely happy to have this in my collection. I have to try to find more pieces, and as I find more pieces, I will show you guys. And I will drop the product number in the description below. Hope you guys are really enjoying the channel. I'm trying to bring you guys a ton of different content on NikeLab and Nike Tech. Thanks for watching. I'm out.